Hi friends, in this lecture we will see how to run our Catalan Studio test cases using our command prompt. Open your test suite and click on build command. Browse and select your test suite name and check display console log and keep console log after execution completed. Click on generate command. Now one command will be generated and we are going to use this command in command prompt to execute our automation test cases. Just copy this command and open your Windows command prompt and navigate to Catalan Studio installation folder. This is the folder where I have installed Catalan Studio. I have navigated to that folder and I am pasting this command. Now you can see one Catalan Studio is launched in command prompt mode and it started executing our test cases. Now it is opening our project file. Hereafter it will launch our test suite and it will run each test cases presented in our test suite and it will upload reports and send us mail. Let us see those things. Please go through those logs displayed in the command prompt. That will be helpful for you if you face any issues while running in command prompt. Let us watch those commands. Now you can see like project API automation testing is opened. Now it started executing the first test case in our test suite. What are the logs we will see in Catalan Studio console that will be displayed here. So all the test cases are executed now. Now it is uploading our reports to Catalan Analytics. Then it will send report to us. Sending report email to my email ID and email is sent. Yeah, this is how we can execute our test suite through command prompt also.